We do call that Piano Rock. And right behind that, you see a large pie-shaped rock. We do call that Pie Rock. Some of you might remember 1989 California, third game of the World Series, a large earthquake.
Oh, where the, yeah.
Loma Prieta earthquake shut down the World Series. A few days later, Piano Rock fell. 1994, another large California earthquake, Northridge. A few days later, Pie Rock fell. So one group says that yes, we are attached to California and we can feel the earthquakes. Another group says no, it's not possible. We're not actually attached to California. The cracks in the stone, these are called pressure faults. They're also known as spider web faults, and they cover the entire state like a giant spider web. Some geologists believe we could have an earthquake across the valley and we wouldn't feel it over here. One side would start to shake, the other side sit still. They have a great big word about that long, basically means one side starts to shake, the other side sits still. So one group says, yes, we can feel the California earthquakes. The other group says, no, we can't. Rocky says, I have not a clue. Seems like a great coincidence. California has an earthquake, something in here falls. I do get a lot of people that ask me if this has been...
It's that, you know, believe your lying eyes, you know, I mean, you know, hey, it happens. Oh, no, no, no.
But I do get a lot of people that ask me if this is man-made. It does look like it's been cut and
looked
quarried.
like it was quarried.
Geologists have proven if you take a grain of sand, no matter how big or small, you apply direct pressure, it'll almost always fracture in a 90-degree angle. This is just a giant chunk of sand, millions of years of direct pressure creating the pressure faults. Not only is it pure sand, well, not only is it sand, but it's pure sand. The way this stuff was created and deposited, there's very little other mineral in there other than quartz. And the purer the sand, the more often you'll get the 90-degree fractures. So that's how this was formed. Imagine, if you can, this canyon and all the canyons throughout Sedona at one point in time. This was all one big flat piece of ground across here. These cracks run from the very bottom to the very top. The water runs down into the crack, freezes, expands, breaks the rock open, opens it up to the erosion. Millions of years of that process creating what we have here today. Still happening. Parts are always falling off. The erosion process is a never-ending thing. This canyon and all the canyons in Sedona will eventually tie into the Grand Canyon. Then it will be known as the really Grand Canyon.